Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And today I'm going to show you how to do a quick reviving makeover with some of my, of course, favorite Mary Kay products. And I'm going to start with the under eye correcting concealer. You definitely cannot go wrong when you're adding under eye correcting concealer to your look. It definitely revives the under eye dark circle bags. As you can see, it's already brighter. It's already making me look less tired, which I desperately need right now. It's, you know, the holiday season, and whenever it's the holiday season, I definitely do not get enough sleep. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply one of my favorite lip colors with Mary Kay. So anytime that you are wanting to kind of stand out, you want to wear a brighter lip color. So this color is called, where's my color? Berry Delight. So it's a lip gloss, but it actually is a very bright lip gloss, and it does have a moisturizer in it. So I'm also moisturizing my lips along the same way of putting color on. Oh, that's so pretty. And you see how just adding that color really brightened up the face? So I personally love this. It looks so good. Berry Delight. Make sure you don't have it on your teeth. I always get it on my teeth. And then you also want to go ahead and do a good mascara. I also have an eyeliner. Let me search. Eyeliner does help because it does, of course, wake up the eye a little bit. I like to do a little bit on just the top of the eye. So this goes, I like just to do it on the top of my eyelid, like so, because that's going to make it look a little bit bigger. And doing a tiny bit underneath just to brighten up the eye area. I don't like it to be a dark line. I like it to be just kind of a soft line, so that way it's, again, a little bit softer. Okay, my eye, okay. Normally I would have a special brush to blend it with, but again, this is the quick out the door refresher makeover in the car when you're in between 5 million different other errands. And then I'm going to finish with some mascara. So I love our mascara. It's very volumizing and lengthening. And so you're going to notice that with just a little bit of mascara, you can definitely, it really adds. Mascara adds. I always tell people, don't leave the house without mascara. If you want to leave the house without other things, that's fine. But never ever leave the house without mascara. Please don't do that. Because mascara, see, already added a little bit more to my eye look, so that I am ready to go. I've been out running errands all day as a mom, and tonight I'm going on a date with my husband, so I'm not going to have time to go home and actually freshen up my makeup. So I needed to have it in the car. So I have my special trusty makeup bag here. So it has all of my stuff. I keep it all in my purse, so it's ready to go, even in a moment's notice, in case I'm not able to go home and freshen up and look beautiful for my next event. So I hope you like this quick refresher makeover. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be back for my next beauty tip.